Alright, basically in this video I'm going to show you today, roof maintenance. Right now what we have is a granulated rubber roof. It's already laid down. The house doesn't have any leaks or nothing towards that at all. But as over time, as you can see, the sun is shining on me now. With the seasons, summers and the winters, expanding and contraction. So sometimes these seams, stuff, they crack up, and between about every 3 and 5 years, you want to come back up and you want to reseal these seams. So basically, in this video, I'm going to show you how we reseal these seams. That's here. Here we have roofing cement. Roofing cement. All right. This is just a regular gallon bucket, and we have 5-gallon bucket. We use the rest of this. With this, you use this type of trowel here, and you also want some gloves. You do not want to get this stuff in your hands. If you do, use paint thinner. We always have some paint thinner around, all in the truck. Just go around, ask me or any of the other guys. But let me show you how we apply it. You want to be careful with it so we don't make too much of a mess. That's here. Okay, it's kind of just floated. I usually run it about the width of the trowel. For this one, in certain cases, we may have to put fabric down, but this already has fabric on it, so we can just go right over top of it with the roofing cement. And this will be, you consider your roof mate. Kind of like using this edge, you know, to kind of basically scrape some of the excess off to stop it, you know, but I still don't want to make sure, because we want to keep this white, you know what I mean? So just want to be mine, and it's all within the trowel, all within the